morning, guys. Today we are cooking pork fajitas. Our ingredients are pork. I marinated this last night with lemon and soy sauce. And we have yellow pepper, red pepper, and orange pepper. And of course we have onions. And for the toppings, we're gonna have chopped avocado, salsa, shredded cheese, fresh tomato, shredded lettuce, and of course we're gonna have fajita wrapper and sour cream and olive oil. Let's go cooking, guys. First thing we're gonna do is add olive oil, probably about 2 tablespoons. Have to add more olive oil. There still have a little bit in there. Now we have to cook the onions. Then, when the bell pepper and onions tender, we can put it back our meat and mix it all together. The onion is soft, and the bell pepper. Now we can add the meat. Cook it more, like 3 more minutes. Try it if you need to add more salt or pepper. You need to add a little salt and pepper. And just a little bit. Me again. Oh gracious. I made chopped avocado. I forgot what it's called.
It's salsa, girl.
Salsa. I'm sorry, guys. You ready?
It's recording.
Oh.